Another week, another challenge. Welcome to La Suerte challenge number 9. This week will be different than any other. We listen to you guys. We try to sometimes. And suggestion was to do something easier to get more people involved, even people who can't dance yet. So, sorry intermediate people or advanced people, but this will be a relatively easy challenge. And we would like you to get other people involved. So probably that's the most challenging part of this challenge, I think so, to get other people involved. It is difficult to make people do something, especially in times like now. Yeah, everybody is having very reasonable excuse for everything. Everything is in lockdown, but you don't have to be. I noticed that many people who participated our challenges so far opened a lot. Some of you recorded yourself for the first time ever in life. Some of you first time ever went out and danced in front of people, or even in front, even if nobody was watching, but still you were outside of your house. It's always breaking some difficulties, yeah? Like going through some blockade in your head and trying to break it and trying to do something new. This is important, eh? So it's very valuable to give it a go. Okay, so today's challenge will be salsa. The steps will be very simple. There will be steps. This will be combination made out of steps from our beginner's course. So really simple moves. We'll put them in a sequence. So this will be already a bit challenging. You'll have to memorize the order. And the song we picked is also quite dynamic. Now, about the rules for this challenge. We would like you to start making videos as soon as possible. So this video goes live on Tuesday, 2 p.m. So now when we're watching it's probably around 3-4 past 2. And if you are experienced dancer, do this routine right now with us, record yourself and nominate other 3 people to do it. They can be dancers or non-dancers, doesn't matter. Nominate them to do it. Try to persuade them to do it. And then they can do it again. And thing number 2, we would like you to wear something red for the video. It will look very exciting if everybody is wearing red. It looks very good in camera. I don't like wearing red clothes, believe me, I don't. But I will wear something red just to join the challenge. Okay, so we are recording ourselves as soon as possible, posting it on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. Tag La Suerte challenge and nominate 3 other people to do your challenge. I know that not all 3 of them will do it, yeah, let's be honest. But if 1 extra will do it, then it will spread. If we want anything to spread, it's not the virus, but this challenge, okay? So let's start our sequence. We are starting with basic salsa step front and back, or maybe I should mention that. Today in cards, wait a second, cards from this perspective are here. This corner, eye icon, and probably it will flash for a couple of seconds when I'm talking about it. In cards, you have link to the playlist of our beginners Cuban salsa steps course. We've done already 13 classes, and I believe all steps that we include in this sequence, we explained like very, very, very slowly, bit by bit, in these classes. I will give the steps names as well, so you will know what to look for. So if you are absolute beginner and you still would like to join it, and you find my explanation right now a bit too fast, open these cards. You can learn the steps literally very, very slowly, step by step, and you can come back then to this video and do the challenge. And obviously song is also in the card, but I'll talk about it in a minute. Okay. We'll start with basic front and back, and the last step of this basic will be opening to basic to the side. So right leg will go to the side, 5, 6, forward, 1, 2, 3, and open, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so straight away transition to basic. So let's say that the first part first step, first footwork of our sequence is basic front and back with opening to the right. Obviously, when the song is playing, we'll just carry on dancing front and back. Then, basic to the side, close, close, open, 5, 6, 7, cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right. And again, preparation in here for turns. We are rotating to the right and straight after rotating to the left, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, opposite, 5, 6, 7. Then we carry on forward, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, exibella, crossing left and cross and right and cross, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 3 to 1, that's the next one. We carry on forward, 3 steps normal, 1, 2, 3, tap, step, step, tap, step, mambo cubano from here, basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and what we finish with, hola, tapping on 8, this was 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward, 1. And that's the end of the sequence. This is extremely simple sequence. Extremely simple for anybody who can dance a bit. Not very simple if you never danced. So, one more time. If you never danced, check the cards. And if you need an explanation for steps, you can use cards. But I believe we did it very, very slowly, so you can easily follow this. We'll do it one more time, fluently, extremely slowly. 5, 6, basic front, nothing happens yet. 5, get ready, go. 1, basic side. 5, 6, open. 1, prepare for turn. 5, right turn, right turn, go. Left, go, front. 1, 2, exibella, crossing, side and cross, opposite side and forward. 3, 2, 1, hop, picky, mambo cubano, hop, picky, 1, 3, left turn, go. 1, 2, 3, tapping on 8, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cuckoo, 1. And that's the end, 5, 6, 7. You know the possibilities on YouTube. You can always slow down this sequence if you need. We will do the same a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, just basic. 5, 6, let's go. 1, basic side. 5, 6, cuckoo. 1, right, left, turns, hop and go. 1, 2, second, front and back. And 1, exibella, crossing, 5, go. Cheeky, cheeky, cum, and 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, tiki, 1, 2, mambo cubano. 1, 3, left turn, boom, cheeky, pam, picking. Tapping on 8, boom, boom, chick, chick, boom, boom, cheeky, cheeky, front, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, let's speed it up, 5, 6, let's go, 1, 2, 3, hop, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, right turn, left turn, go, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, front, 1, exibella, 5, hop, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, mambo cubano, hop, 1, 3, left turn, go, and 1, 2, 3, hop, 6, 8, tiki, tick, boom, boom, tiki, tick, boom, puku, tiki, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, okay. I'm not entirely sure this is the speed of our song, but something like that. No, maybe a bit, no, I think a bit slower than that, but song is dynamic. I'm going to put it on. You'll have links everywhere as usual. Description, cards, if I don't forget, it will be displayed on the bottom as well.
1, 3,
salsa. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Up, right turn, left turn, hop. Front. Exibella. 3, 2, 1.
Esto es salsa
Mambo cubano.
del pueblo.
Left
Esto
turn.
es salsa con
Tapping
esquina.
on 8. Boom, 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 boom. 1.
Milano Marítima.
do the same again. Up we go. 1,
Piano bonito.
Hop. Tick,
Iceman.
up, front, exhibela. 3, 2, 1. Hop mambo, tick. Left turn. Tapping on 8.
Unión Latina Europea. ¿Cuánto se goza?
1. We'll do it one more time.
Oye,
We go.
Víctor, dime,
Up.
Pepe. El capitán, el capitán.
Right turn, left turn. Front. Exhibela. 3, 2, 1. Mambo cubano.
Y todo el mundo
Boom,
pasando.
boom, chick, chick, boom, boom, chick, chick, boom, boom. And one more time. Wait, wait. Let's go.
Arranca, Humberto.
Hop.
Playa Marítima.
Right turn, left turn, go. Front. Exhibela crossing.
Esta es mi salsa de pueblo.
Hop.
Salsa para el bailador.
Mambo cubano.
Unión Latina Europea.
Left.
Donde baila la
Capping on
gente
8.
buena.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Y el que no la ponga no tiene vida. Es como medicina. Yo no te vendo
Okidoki.
mentiras. Mano para arriba gozando.
Very enjoyable, fast routine, but at the same time, pretty simple. So, we're waiting for your videos and we wouldn't like to wait for too long. So, if you know how to do this routine, bang, 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 record it, post it, nominate 3 other people, and let's make it grow. So, by Saturday, we hope to have quite many entries. We'll put it together. Another thing to our intermediate advanced dancers, do something funny during this video. Yeah, the sequence is probably not challenging for you, so add something creative. I believe in your creativity. Week by week, you are proving us that you can do some crazy stuff. So, hey, why not this time? Let's do it again. As usual, remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel as well. We appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.